If you're a homeowner in Washington state, you know how vital it is to have windows that can handle everything from relentless rain and high winds to bright sunshine and occasional snow. Whether you're replacing old windows or upgrading during a renovation, pre-made windows offer a cost-effective, convenient solution, but not all windows are created equal. Before you buy, it's important to know what features make pre-made windows not only reliable, but also the right fit for Washington's unique climate and your home's style. Here are the top features to look for in pre-made windows that will enhance comfort, efficiency, and curb appeal for years to come. Energy-efficient glass. Washington homes deal with everything from winter chills to summer heat waves, so energy efficiency is a must. One of the key features to look for is low emissivity glass, which reflects heat back into your home during winter and deflects it during summer. Pair this with double or triple pane construction and argon or krypton gas fills between panes to maximize insulation and reduce your monthly energy bills. Key benefits: lower heating and cooling costs, more consistent indoor temperature, protection from UV rays that can fade furniture and floors. Look for the Energy Star label to ensure your pre-made windows meet or exceed regional energy efficiency standards. Durable, weather-resistant frames. Washington's ever-changing weather demands windows that can withstand moisture, wind, and fluctuating temperatures. That's why frame material matters. Some of the best frame options include vinyl, low maintenance, affordable, and moisture-resistant fiberglass, strong, long-lasting, and resistant to temperature changes. It's composite, made from a mix of wood and polymer, offering the best of both worlds. Aluminum-clad wood, great for aesthetics with better durability than plain wood. Choose frames that are sealed tightly and engineered to prevent warping, cracking, or rotting over time. Quality seals and weather stripping. Even the best glass and frames won't help if your windows let in drafts or moisture. Be sure your pre-made windows come with high-quality seals, weather stripping, and proper insulation around the sashes. This ensures better energy efficiency, reduced outside noise, enhanced protection against Washington's rainy climate. A tight seal means more comfort and fewer issues down the line. Built-in ventilation options. In Washington, where fresh air is abundant and often desirable, ventilation features can make a big difference. Look for operable window styles like double-hung windows with 2 movable sashes, casement windows that open outward for maximum airflow, sliding windows for easy use in compact spaces. Many pre-made windows offer vent locks or secure partial opening mechanisms so you can enjoy airflow while keeping your home safe. Stylish and versatile design. Curb appeal and interior aesthetics matter, especially in a state where beautiful homes often mirror the surrounding natural landscape. Pre-made windows come in a variety of styles, shapes, and finishes, so you can choose the ones that complement your home's character. Customization options to look for include multiple frame color choices, grid patterns for traditional or modern looks, glass texture options for privacy in bathrooms or front-facing rooms. You can even mix fixed and operable window styles to create a unique look while maintaining practicality. Easy maintenance and longevity. Nobody wants to spend weekends scraping, sealing, or repainting windows. Modern pre-made windows are designed with low-maintenance features like tilt-in sashes for easy cleaning, fade-resistant finishes, mold and mildew-resistant materials. These features ensure that your windows look great and perform well with minimal upkeep, even in the damp and often unpredictable Washington weather. Final thoughts. Smart choices. Start with the right features. Choosing the right pre-made windows for your Washington home means understanding the local climate and knowing what to prioritize. Energy efficiency, durability, weather protection, style, and ease of maintenance are all essential factors to consider. By focusing on these top features, you'll make a smart investment that keeps your home comfortable, stylish, and efficient season after season. Work with a trusted window supplier or contractor to find the perfect match for your needs, and enjoy peace of mind knowing your windows are built to handle everything Washington throws your way.